Guys, it's me, Multi13015. Now this is my new server. I know that you're asking why am I doing this weird house. I'm gonna do a gigantic house. It's that big. Please join. The first one who joins will get an admin for free. The third one will only get diamond. The second maybe a diamond too. So please join my server. It's really fun, and every day there's a new reward for anything, even finding a wood. I know, it's weird. So please join. There's a lot of rewards in my server. So I hope you enjoy it.